My name is Dr. Ruchita Batra, and in this video we are going to make atoms with helix. So for atoms with helix we have 21 gauge wire, and first of all we are going to mark on the cast like the usual markings on the cast for we make for atoms. This is the same for helix with atoms with helix. So the helix, it will be in the middle of the bridge. So first of all we are going to make a helix of 3 mm diameter. So this is the helix, and now we have to make 90-degree bends to make the bridge. So as we have already marked it on the cast, now mark it on the wire to give bends on both the sides. Give 90-degree bends on both the sides. It should be parallel. Okay, so we have made the bridge, and now we have to make 2 loops. So again we are going to mark it on the wire to make the arrowheads. These are the usual markings we make for the Adams clasp. So now we'll make the U loops in 2 ways, like we did in the last video, in the Adams video. I'm going to give a 90-degree bend first. I'll give the half bend, that is only the 90-degree bend on both the sides. I'll check if they both are in the same height, and they are. And now I will complete the bend on both the sides. This is I find this method a bit easy than to make a whole arrowhead in one time. I'll squeeze the arrowhead with the plier. Adams with helix is exactly the same as the normal Adams we make. It's just the difference is there is a helix in between in the bridge, in the middle of the bridge, and all the other steps are exactly as same as the Adams clasp. And now we will give a 45-degree bend. The arrowheads should be in the buccoproximal region of the molar and not interdentally. So yeah, it is in the buccoproximal region. And now we'll give the $1 million bend. So for the $1 million bend, we have to give the bend to the half of the half length of the arrowhead. So and same on the second loop. It should be half the length of the arrowhead. This is how it looks like. And now we will adapt it palatally. Cut the extra wire. Now we have adapted on the occlusal surface, and we have to adapt it on the palatal surface now. Mark it on the wire. Cut the extra wire. Make tags. This is how helix with Adams with helix looks like. There should be a gap between the helix and the tooth surface to engage the elastics. There should be gap between helix and the tooth surface. And this is how it looks like. Thank you.